We'll guide you through how to find your own phone number on an Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you don't use your phone much, it's easy to go and forget the number. Perhaps somebody's going and ask you for it to go and stay in contact with you, to send you a message or call you, or perhaps trying to go and verify your account, and so you need to go and get a code sent to your number. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how you can find your own phone number, and then you'll be able to go and do it for whatever you need. So to go and get started with this, it's much easier than you probably think. You want to go and swipe up on your phone like so. Now you need to go and find your settings app. You can swipe across here. If you struggle to find it, you can always use the search at the top. In this case for me, it's here though, so I can go and tap on it and open it up really easily like so. Now in here, what you need to do is we need to go and find the option for connections. If you struggle to find this, you can use the search in the top right, come into here. You'll see some more options, but what you need to do is go down and find the option for SIM Manager. Once again, if you struggle to find it, you need to search in the top right. Let's come into SIM Manager, and in here, you're then going to go and see the different SIMs and the numbers. So I've got two SIMs in my phone, so I can see two numbers here, but I can then go and see them. I can then note them down or go and use them for what I want for. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful guides like this.